Welcome back, everyone. I'm Sunny Trainer Matt, bringing you another great cycling workout. Let's go ahead and get started. Hop on your bikes and we're just gonna get warmed up for a few minutes. So for this workout, we're gonna be focusing more on your cadence. So if you're not too comfortable managing your pace or your RPMs or your cadence, you can go ahead and follow along with me if you need to know how quickly you should be pedaling those pedals. So if you have a cadence monitor or an RPM monitor, great. You can just follow along with the pace that I call out. We're going to be doing a few different intervals. We're going to be focusing on a cadence that is at 80 or higher. So we're really going to be cranking it up for this one. So not too high in resistance, but we want to make sure that you're getting comfortable with those quicker paces. So again, we're just going to be going for about 2 minutes on this warm up. Let's go ahead and get our pace up to about 80 RPMs, just to kind of get us used to that quicker pace. And for this workout, we're not going to drop below 80 RPMs for this first block. So we're going to do 2 blocks. First one's going to be a faster cadence in a seated position. And then for our next block, we're going to go into climbs, but we're going to try to push our cadence with those climbs as well. So for those climbs, we're going to start at about 60 RPMs. And then we're going to increase from there. So we're just going to see how quickly we can get those legs moving with our speed work or our climbing work. So just nice and easy. If you have a light tension right now, go ahead and start to increase it a little bit. Want to feel some nice tension in those legs. But again, we're still trying to hold that 80 pace. So once you start to feel it, back off a little bit on the tension. And then make sure you can still hold that pace of 80 RPMs. All right, we're nearing the end of our warm up. So for this first interval, we're gonna maintain a cadence at 80. We're gonna add a little bit more resistance. Try to kind of feel a little bit more heavy in those thighs. And then we're gonna do that for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we're going to go up to 90 RPMs for another 30 seconds. And then for the last sprint, we're gonna go 100 plus RPMs, same resistance for another 30 seconds before we have a nice little 1 minute recovery time. So again, should have a little bit of resistance on there, should start to feel nice and warm. Now let's go ahead and get started with our first 30-second block. All right, we're gonna get started. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and 30 seconds. Increase that resistance a little bit. Hold that pace at 80. If you're finding it easy to keep it at 80, add a little bit more resistance. All right, let's crank it up to 90. Come on, pick it up a little bit. Hold it at or above 90 RPMs. Great job, keep going. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get up to 100. Let's keep it at 100 or slightly above. Don't let it fall back down. Come on. Keep going, push through. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, back off, let those legs recover. Keep the resistance where it is, so we're not too heavy right now. Slow it down. We're gonna take a minute, recover. And then for the next round, we're gonna add a little bit more intensity. A little bit more gear, a little bit more resistance. We're gonna go through those 3 intervals again. Those 3 30-second intervals, starting at 80 RPMs, 90, and then 100. So it's cruising off. Those legs recover a little bit. We got 2 more rounds of the seated speed work. Remember, don't reduce your tension. Keep it at the same level. We're gonna start this next round in 5 seconds. Gotta add a little bit more resistance. Here we go. 2, 1, a little more resistance. Back up to 80 RPMs. 30 seconds. Learning how to control our pace with this workout. All right, here we go. 90 RPMs. Crank it up. You got this. Keep going. Going back up to 100. Keep going, keep going. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Kick it up, 100 RPMs. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Feeling that good burn? You got this. Ten seconds left. Two, 1. All right, back it off. Recover, 1 minute. Get some water if you need to. I got 1 more round. So again, don't touch your levels. Keep your resistance the same. We're gonna go through this 1 more time. 80 RPMs, 90 RPMs, and then 100 or higher. Adding a little bit more tension to this last round. Coming up after this, we're gonna take another minute to recover, and then we're gonna do the same blocks, 30 seconds, times 3, but we're gonna do them off the seat in a climbing position. We're gonna drop the cadence to 60, but we're gonna increase the resistance. So here we go. Last round for the high speed. Kick it up to 80. Hold it there. Add a little bit more resistance. Keep going, come on. Stay on my pace. You guys are doing great. It's all about control with this workout. Ready? 90 RPMs, go. You guys are almost there. Got 1 more block at 100 RPMs or higher. Take another rest period. We'll move on to our climbing portion of the workout. And here we go. 100 RPMs, go. Boost it up a little higher if you can. 101, 102, 105. Stay over 100. Come on, stay with me. Almost there, 10 seconds. And relax, good job. All right, recover. Keep the tension where it's at. We're gonna go right into a climb. Enjoy this minute. We're gonna go right into climbing speed work. So again, when I say speed work, it's more not just tracking your RPMs and your cadence a little bit closer. Getting comfortable controlling your pace. So for this first round, we're gonna go off the saddle, and we're gonna be at 60 RPMs. Trying to control our pace, 30 seconds. After the first 30, we're gonna go a little bit faster. Try to hold your pace over 60. And then the last one's gonna be a sprint. So as fast as you can go in the climbing position, making sure you're maintaining good riding position. So here we go. First round, 30 seconds. 60 RPMs. Nice, smooth pace. All right, ready, here we go. Picking it up. Gotta hold it over 60. Guys are doing great, keep going. Climbing strong. All right, here we go. Faster pace. Let's go, pick it up. Want to see you at 70 or higher if you can. Good, strong, stable position. Keep that body centered over the bike. Power through the pedals, let's go. 10 more seconds. Four, three, two, and one. All right, back off. 1 minute. Recover. All right. Good job. We're gonna go through that 2 more times. We'll take this minute to recover. We're gonna increase the resistance for this next group of climbs. So make sure, don't lower your resistance right now. We're not doing any lowering resistance for this workout. Unless you're having trouble keeping up with the pace, then you can make that small adjustment. Get your breath, get some water, wipe yourself off. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit more tension. Feel it a little bit heavier in the legs. We're gonna go right back into 60 RPMs, okay? First 30-second block. 2, 1. All right, here we go. Steady climb. Getting it ready for this next block. Pick up the pace a little bit more. And go. Mid-60s. Picking it up. Working up to that max effort climb. We're picking up that cadence fast as you can go. Fast as you can go. And a comfortable, good riding position. See if you can go a little faster than the first round. Here we go. And 30 seconds. Pick up that pace. Riding hard. Pushing through those pedals. Let's go. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Back it off. All right. You guys got one more to go. You're gonna make it. Don't touch that dial. Don't reduce the tension. Just cruise for a minute. One more time through. A little faster, a little bit more resistance. You guys got this. You're doing great. Making time for yourself today. Keep it up. Every time you make one of these workouts, you're gonna get better. Better than not doing it, that's for sure. All right, 10 more seconds. Add a little more tension. Feeling a little heavier. This is the end. Got a minute and a half of work left. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. 60 RPMs, heavier resistance. Gonna finish strong with this one. All right, here we go. 60 less. Keep it up. Try to push it a little faster. See if you can get it up over 70. We're going max effort on this last round. So give me all you got for that last 30 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go, push it. Come on, get that pace up. Driving hard through those pedals, let's go. Push it to the finish. Whew. Come on, finish strong. Three, 2, and 1. Whew, great job. All right, reduce tension. Those legs recover. Comfortable riding position. Let that heart rate come down. Just gonna hang out here for a minute. Deep breaths. You guys did great today. This is a great workout. You can do this one multiple times per week. Again, if you're still not comfortable following along with pace or RPMs or cadence, do this workout multiple times during the week. That way you can get comfortable on your bike, whether that's knowing what your cadence feels like, if you have a monitor, learning how to control your pace with the monitor on your bike, or even if you're getting ready to go on your outdoor rides, you know how your pace should feel when you're out there doing speed work or some climbing work as well. Whew. If you need a few more minutes to let your heart rate come down, go ahead and cruise for a little while longer. Otherwise, great work, and we'll see you next time.